My boy Jadakiss went in, didn't he?
Who won the verses?
Jadakiss. I didn't even see it. I had to watch replays of it. Huh? Man, look at this dude right here.
What's up, dog?
That's what I used to look like when I paroled.
Man, that nigga ain't no monster. Hey, you know I be 40 time though, right?
Man, we can do anything. We could run a 40, we could lift, we could jump, we could play basketball. It don't matter.
Hey, you don't want to play no basketball. Don't even say that, Neff.
Hey, you name it, I'm on it. It don't matter.
Your dad and Ving Rames ass off.
Man, you just throw the goddamn lie.
Man, you not dad. You ain't Ving Rames, nigga.
Man, Ray never got on the court one, and I shot your ass out. You was gonna play. You too big. You too big.
Big U, stop the dumb shit, Big U. Like, we playing one-on-one. You trying to be on some Hakeem Olajuwon shit, backing down.
And I walked your ass back out to the three, and I bust your ass.
No, you did
Put down
not.
something you love.
You did not. No, you didn't.
Put down something you love.
No, you did. That's
That's what I thought. That's what I
That's
thought, nigga. That's what I thought. You ain't gonna put that on nothing you love. I done bust your ass.
Nigga, that's on neighborhood, nigga.
Yeah, I bust your ass. That's on neighborhood.
Neighborhood, you big.
Yes, sir. I wore your ass out. You told me, I didn't know you could shoot.
Man, that shit look like Bill Cartwright.
As long as it go in.
Man, that shit wasn't going in.
As long as it go in.
Hey, I didn't even know you was from LA. I thought you was from Brick City, New Jersey and shit. I said, fuck you, from where Red Man at?
One thing is for certain. It's 1,000 people on here know your ass ain't put that on nothing. You know I shot your ass out. The crazy thing is I can shoot you out right now.
Big U, was you talking about some violent shit or was you talking about basketball?
I'm talking about a basketball, putting it in the hoop.
See, any nigga that say put the ball in the hoop, they can't fucking beat me. Ask yourself, hey, do these sound convincing? I can put the ball in the hoop better than you. Do they sound convincing?
What is it supposed to be said then? Since you know the new lingo, what's the new one?
I'ma cook the shit out.
Man, that's some more East Coast ass shit. Ain't nobody hungry, nigga. Ain't nobody hungry. I'm gonna cook the shit out of you. I'm gonna cook the shit out of you. That means you gonna give me some shit to give me diarrhea. I'm gonna cook the shit out of you. So that shit you cooking gonna be terrible.
So listen,
I'm gonna
West Coast niggas.
I'm gonna cook the shit out of you.
So the West Coast niggas be like, you can't put the ball in the hoop better than me, huh?
All they gonna be saying, I'm gonna cook the shoot out of your ass.
And y'all niggas stand like this. You can't put the ball in the hoop better than me, cuz. What's wrong with you, cuz?
And you know how y'all East Coast is gonna be. Y'all gonna have some very, very tight pants. Your pants gonna be so tight you can see the quarters. You can see the quarters in your pocket. And you gonna be talking about, I'm gonna cook your shit. I'm gonna cook your shit out of your asshole.
Or neighbors, cuz.
That's us right there for sure. That's the neighbor stand. That's the neighborhood stand.
Oh, duh. When I came to the jail to do that movie, and y'all niggas was standing out there.
And we put you on the hood. Me and them put you on the hood.
Every nigga was standing like that. Like, I'm looking at niggas' feet like, what the fuck is going on?
And tell everybody how me and Nip took you to the hood. You had to have a fight with them two little bitty niggas.
First of all.
I mean, you did your stuff. You all right, bro. Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You all right. It ain't like you punked out. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna say you lost I'm not gonna say you lost the second one. No, I'm not gonna say you lost the first one. It was the second fight Let me check my nose first. Where that come from? Let me check my nose first. Wait, let me get a napkin. I'm gonna have to use a sock. What is who is you? Everybody know. Who is this? Who is this? Wait. Who is this? Hey, Nip. Who is this? Nip. Hold on, Nip.
Nigga, I ain't lost a fight since 87.
Hold on. Who is this? Hold on, Nip. Uncle Philly.
I ain't lost a fight since 87, nigga.
Who is this, though?
I ain't lost a fight since 87, nigga. Hey, that's part of fighting, nigga. You get clipped sometimes. That's part of fighting, nigga. You get clipped sometimes, nigga. Hey,
who is this?
Hey, they took me to the hood.
Am I being put my nose on my lip?
Hey, listen, y'all. They took me to the hood trying to get me initiated with the Crips.
You did get initiated.
I went down there and beat 2 niggas up.
You didn't run. That's what you say?
That's part of the rumble. Ooh, you called me. You called me? All right.
Nigga, get the napkin out your nose before y'all start back.
Tell a story about back in the day when you went to the blood hood to rumble over your wife and the nigga grabbed your J curl.
That was the nigga daddy, and he didn't grab my Jerry girl. That was the nigga daddy, so I had to respect the nigga daddy. The nigga daddy told me.
This nigga wife, right? Stacy, right? She lived in a blood neighborhood.
She didn't live over there. She didn't live where her cousins lived over there.
Listen, Big U was on coochie with. He belonged to a blood neighborhood. Shit drip. Oh, he grabbed the back of his shit. I tell you, stop coming to me. Don't give fuck your Big Eugene and all that shit. Don't make that over here. Get the fuck from up here.
It was an old man. It was an old man.
Hey, nephew, he did me that 40 times about your mother.
She was on some bullshit. Hey, man. Hey. And anyway, it wasn't no nigga was the nigga daddy. The old man went in. The old man went big. You know, the old man told me get the fuck from over there. We gonna do something to your motherfucking ass.
Hey, Big U, do you know, I never seen a skinny nigga from the West Coast until this era.
Hey man, what the fuck just happened to you, nigga? What the fuck you just got through doing?
I'm gonna wash my face off, bro. I do that from time to time. That's all right with you.
You look like you looked at night in the back of the apartments.
Let me tell you something.
Nigga, that's the exact only thing. You ain't got no red stuff coming from your nose and your lip.
Shit.
That's how you look at
Hey. Nigga, my nose and my lips, nigga. What's wrong with you? I would have liked to think. I would have liked to. First of all, type nigga take you to the hood and you be the youngest. When you leave, they be like, I thought we was initiating him.
Hey girl, you can't say Nip didn't have no love for you though. You can't say Nip didn't have no love for you, because if it was me, man, I'd let you fight 2 more times.
Hey, Nip was the fucking realest.
Hey, I'd let your black ass fight. Fuck you. You done fought 4 more times. You gotta get 6 in. God damn it.
It don't matter. It's shit.
When we take Wallow to the back, when Wallow goes to the backyard,
Wallow gonna pay his way out.
all that karate shit, hell no.
No, Wallow gonna say, listen, brothers, listen, brothers. You fucked up.
gonna have to do some karate, some kempo, some jiu-jitsu. Wallow gonna have to do a whole lot of shit, man. Hey, wait a minute. When y'all bringing your live show to LA?
In middle of October.
You gonna have your twin brother up there? That nigga look like he doing that old bullshit. Hey, you better have on that goddamn Kanye West red on, nigga.
No, man, I ain't. I'm coming out as Big Blue. A fake ass you.
You better call one of the homies. They gonna check you, Nicky.
I'm coming out as Big W, not Big U.
So Wallow gonna get put on the Pyrus or the Crips, man. Which one he go or the Bloods? Which one's he going to?
So you know, Wallow is what's whack?
Pyru.
Yeah, Wallow Pyru, man.
So then he on the Birdman. Then so he really fuck with Birdman.
Yeah, you know he Birdman sing.
Oh man, I thought you was gonna slap the shit out of Birdman and Wallow when you catch them both together.
No, I'm gonna slap the shit out of Wallow.
Oh, okay.
In front of Birdman, just to let it know, like.
I fuck with Birdman. That's my bro, dog.
I fuck with him too. That's my nigga.
That's a good nigga, man.
Birdman, though, I just be playing, man.
That's my nigga.
All right, y'all. It's Money Love from the Money Love channel. Just confirmed. Big U and Nipsey Hussle took Gillie the Kid to get put on Rolling 60 Crip Gang, as they call it, the set. So it's official. Gillie the Kid is a member of the Rolling 60 Crip Gang. In the gang world, congrats. You know what I mean? Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Money Love channel. Holla.